Pull upwards on the side wing covers to remove. They are held in with clips. Then repeat the same process for the central cover. Remove these 7 bolts using a 10mm socket. Remove the number plate with a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a T27 Torx bit to remove the 4 bolts behind the number plate. Use a pick to remove the 3 front covers underneath the bumper, then remove the 3 10mm bolts. Use a Phillips head bit to remove this screw and the wheel arch. Repeat on the other side. Underneath the bumper, remove these 3 bolts using a Phillips head bit. Pop out the wheel arch and remove the 4 hidden Phillips bolts. Remove the 2 hidden bolts further up the cladding. Repeat for the other side. Pop out more of the arch cladding near the fender to reveal the 4 hidden Phillips bolts and remove. Repeat on the other side. Slowly push and pull the bumper away from the body to release the clips. Do not fully remove just yet. On the passenger side, push the bumper out far enough so you can undo the wiring harness behind it. There are 2 plugs that need to be disconnected. The larger connector is a flip latch style connector like on an ECU. Push upwards on the grey bar, then pull the plug apart. The smaller connector next to it is a tab latch style for the front camera. Press the tab and release the connector. After that's all disconnected, you can remove the bumper from the vehicle.